Yo, how's it going, guys? Today we're gonna be looking at how to stream and record videos with OBS. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing you wanna do is you wanna configure your OBS client. So basically you go into settings, you need to get your stream key here, which I will say when you can find it on the Twitch later, and it's only for streaming. If you just wanna record videos, you don't need that key. You can also just connect your Twitch account, right? So like the output, you don't really have to change anything here apart from your recording path, so that's where like your videos are gonna be saved. So here is my like location when my videos land when I end the recording. Okay, with the audio, don't change anything basically. With the video, just change to full HD if you want, or whatever resolution you want. For the hotkeys, you don't really have to do anything here, just do those buttons if you wanna. Just don't have to, if you don't wanna alt tab like your game or something to return on the recording. So basically I have it on the F9 key and on the F10 key. And with the advanced, don't really change anything here, it's set up already if you wanna do it. So basically first thing you wanna do is, as you can see, I'm making my video like the sound quieter or louder, so like, and now it's louder, yeah. So my mic is quite not quite quiet, so I have to go to all the way to the maximum amount. And if you like hear only from one ear, I had that issue. Basically, if you're here from one ear only, just click on here settings, properties, or no, not on properties, advanced audio properties, and click here down mix to mono. Basically that will make you hear them on both your earphones or headphones or whatever you wanna do. You just hear from both sides then. Here you can balance, if like you hear more sound from the right side than from the left side, you can balance it out. Here is your like computer audio, so like, I don't know, some music, if you're streaming, or I don't know, everything apart from your microphone. So yeah, the next step what you wanna do is we just add like some sources. So basically scene is just, you don't have to, you just have a basic one and don't change it, you don't need those or at the start, right? So basically I have, see the Roblox, the LOL client, the LOL, in the basic screen, right? So if you have none of those at the start, just press right click on it on the side, click add, then you wanna go, and let's say if you wanna capture a game, or like the full screen game like League of Legends, just wanna click game, add game, okay, game capture, as you can see. And any is basically like every full screen game. It's versatile, but it's not for this specific game. So if you wanna like record one game with your sources here, just capture specific window and pick the window. So like, let's say I wanna, I don't know, stream Spotify, so I just click it and it's gonna show it. But yeah, so like, as you can see, I can turn on the League of Legends here just real quick. They are turn on the LOL client, which isn't full screen. And if your app isn't full screen, basically what you wanna do, if it's not full screen, just press the right click again, add, you wanna do window capture, add, and then when you have that window capture, just go with the Riot client, let's say, because yeah, and as you can see, it's already here. So now I can just hide the screen capture, because I'm not gonna capture the screen, or actually I will show it to you, but you hide it, right? And then you just move this so it gets to full screen, and it's all set up. So thank you guys for watching, hope the video helps you, and see you guys in the next episode. Bye. Okay, so for the Twitch streaming key that you need to put in here if you want to stream on Twitch, right? Just click OK here. So you go on Twitch, you go on, I think, okay, yeah, it's Polish, so I will just translate it to you. You go to your channel and videos, so that's my email. You go to your channel and videos, basically click on it. It will pop up on your browser, and you have your transmission key here, like the stream key here. And you just copy it. I can just copy it, and basically you go to OBS settings, stream, and you input, and you just paste it here, and your stream is set up. Also, remember, if you start a stream here, you need to turn on the Twitch account. Just click here, and you have to turn on online, so your stream will be up. Because if you forget to click the start streaming button, or you forget the online button, the stream won't work. So remember about that.